tun trum chu thil lim om tak tak thir ho ve thongang o Milarten an milar pui an lo ngai san ruk kan ti don nge an lo I mai ta em chinte an hmuh chang an awmdan lai mel le makti mel lombok si lai vel I han thlir ho te ang Ellen Showa Charles Theron Nicole Kidman le Margot Robbie te chuan tu zok ngai than zokang ti games khelin heta hian milar mi pasang sang te thlak an khai khin kwal vela heta an games khela tang hian Michael B Jordan chu an du tlang ber ti ashatani Ellen Showa Charlize Theron ain lan le tum chuan Ellen chuan Charlize chu arin lo tak main a thong thuta anin kom tuilai tak chuan backstage lama Michael B Jordan lo om chu Ellen chuan ko chuak thotin Charlize nen chuan ain mel sha tirta ani
Michael, come here. How are y'all doing?
Charlize makti le limmel tak mai chu mi puita chuan lompuin kutbeng chungin an lo aw na samaya Michaelan ka kal to ange ati chuan Charlize chuan min shoi ve mai la ati fiam thu se nge ani
You stay.
Jimmy Fallon show a thil theng lim om deuh pakhat chu Ariana Grande nen anin kom jumin game an khela heti tang hian Ariana Grande in Milar zinga alonga isan chin chu Jim Carrey ani ti kan sha thei pha ani
Who was my first celebrity crush?
You know,
ti chuan Jim Carrey chu a hmu ve ta nge a clip hi han en la a trap hialani Nick Jonasin nupuya na ima chuan Emilia Clarke hi adu thei a tin Game of Thrones fan ani shim bok tum khatsu BBC Radio 1 a muhna rem chang anei ta hlau maya host Nick Grimshaw chuan in Melcha Tirin Nick Jonas chu azam
You really set me up for failure to not look cool at all.
why?
One of your biggest fans is in the building.
tuna me hi chu celebrity ani vel che lawa ma se Jennifer Lopez cousin ne in ani hian Cristiano Ronaldo hi a chil tak seta Jennifer Lopez Zara a cousin chuan Cristiano Ronaldo chu in mel shot na chance anei pha ta ani
It's your birthday today. When I saw him, I couldn't believe it. I was like, she's my little cousin. I have to give her.
Chance the Rapper in Beyonce hmuhnawm hi camera alo lak fu hlau ania Chance the Rapper chu interview na ilayin Beyonce chuan nunglam atangin aron khoi ezeu maya a interview lai po ngai to chang to lovin Beyonce lam chu awapan ngala awakwa ta chung mai ani interview tu tan chuan a shil hai thak zok hialang le
Drake?
Oh my God, that was awesome!
That happened.
Capital Radio interview na a tum khat chu Shawn Mendes in abial nu Camila Cabello in Justin Bieber a hmuh masak pera a omdan le a phur dan vel a soi chuaka Camila chuan Justin Bieber akwa masak ber tum chuan phur lu tokin Shawn Mendes chu a shil ngala Justin Bieber ka ku anya ti in aw chul chunga a shil thu Shawn chuan a soi chuaka ni
You are not gonna believe this. I just hugged Justin Bieber. I'm like, God, you are really a fangirl.
Yeah.
Michelle Obama po hian Bradley Cooper hi alo du ve thei a tum khat chu Elenin Michelle akom lain ren la utak mayin Bradley chu akau chuak ta thot maya
You know who's better at this than me is Bradley Cooper. Bradley.
a celebrity crush ani ti soi chuak kher lo ma se comments alo pek vel dana chang hian Michelle hian Bradley hi alo I mai ta veran ti a sha thayani
Us. It's good for us, right, ladies? Yeah.
Jennifer Lawrence in Oscar Award ta interview anei tumin a interview lai chuan ambula Jack Nicholson aron lang thut maya amak ti le phur tuk chu a boy ngal vekani
No politics,
Jack, no?
George. What about
If you want to talk politics, we can.
I love Jennifer.
Oh my God.
Jack chuan Jennifer nena chuan kalpa in kabial lui ang khok mai ati izeu phei chuan Jennifer chuan om ngai na ashalo hialani
Do I look like a new girlfriend?
I thought about it.
hei hi Jennifer Lawrence in a celeb crush dang Jeff Bridges a hmu le tuma a awmdan ani a achenu nuihzatthlak chin khop mai engtia omtu nge ti po she thiam to lovin a phi ruai mai ani
I'm so sorry. Sorry, good to see you. I'm so sorry for interrupting you. There's cameras everywhere.
kum enge mozat liam ta a Miley Cyrus no pangte alani lai khan Vancouver interview anaya heta hian host chuan Miley du Hilary Duff chu call-in a surprise ani.
Hilary Duff, hi sweetheart. Had her call in because I know that you want to have a career like her because she does everything, the TV, the singing, the acting. Hilary, I wish you could see Miley's face right now. Her mouth is just open.
Oh, well, we met not too long ago, and
Miley makti chu akahaw maya hostin ain mel sha tir nuwa Miley chuan Hilary nena chuan meche enton tlak takani awangin lom thu ashila ama ngai po chu Hilary angni ve adu thu ashil bokani. Award show pakhata interview na Cardi B chu tungi artist jinga thopuya chak berti anzota Cardi chuan rang tak mayin Lady Gaga ti ina changa.
Definitely gotta be Lady Gaga. I want to let you know that I love you.
Khatlem teliam nuwa Grammy Award semna Cardi B chuan Lady Gaga chu ataka amove tangenge a video clip en hian Cardi B porzia hi chiang takin kan hmu thei ani. Taylor Swift hian aron lartir vel khan Justin Timberlake hi adu thei a celebrity crush ani thu asoi chenani. Taylor Swift chu Ellen showa ain lan tumin Ellen chuan besei bawk thil a thlentir le ta backstage Justin Timberlake lo biru reng chu kau chuakin chu chuan Taylor chu ati phuzok ani. Taylor chuan vo in tlukani man nuam hi a chuang longe ati hialani nuam chinang chu oi big interview anei na enge mozata Emma Stone hian Spice Girl fan ru kol ani je alo zoi to china a movie promote na tura interview anei na pakhata host chuan Emma chu surprise in Melby ne na chang video message adongani.
Wait, Melby could have been here?
Yes.
I'm gonna cry.
Hi, Emma.
Oh my god, is Melby talking to me?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm legitimately crying.
Emma
I'm
phulu
the
tuk
biggest
chuan
Spice Girls fan
ola
ever.
pale Melby hian min be ani lat pale ka phulu tuk ka chap thona nia ati hialani.
This is Melby.
Oh my god, from the Spice
I
Girls.
want to say I absolutely adore you and I love you.
Olympic gymnast Simon Biles le a teammate Zongzong te chuan Zac Efron hmuhnawm chang an nei hlomaya Simon Biles hian ama in interview na ina Zac Efron adu zia alo sei to chinani.
Because we've got time. When I found out you guys were fans.
Simon Biles phurlu tuk chuan Zac Efron la om ve reng lai chuan ataka hian mel thlei ti in lai mel takin asoyani. Anne Hathaway yin red carpet interview na lai hin anung lama chuan Mariah Carey aron langa heta chang che hian Mariah Carey hi Anne Hathaway idol ani ti kan she theiani.
Oh my god. No.
Anne chuan heti deuh hian kadinga nga a background na khana langem ti in interview ana ilaya Mariah Carey alan lo chu a hlau hle ani.
Is she in the background? If I stand like this way? Okay.
Nicki Minaj tana hun poimo tak pakhat chu Milarte zinga anga isan ber mai Lauryn Hill a hmuh tum hi ani. Mai chana anin hmuh masak ber tum hian Nicki hian a idol Lauryn Hill chu bok khopin chibai a buk hiala a engkim chu adu zia a shil ngal bok ani.
No. Please. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with your spirit, your mind, everything about you.
Graham Norton show a boruak do tak thleng pakhat chu Emilia Clarkin hundrei tak chung alo a chil tlat to Matt LeBlanc a hmuh tum hi ani.
Yeah, kind of.
Emilia Clarke.
An pahnih chon thudunin Emilia Clarke lai lutuk biang sentai tuk mai chu mo mai rol ani lawani.
I'm actually blushing. Yeah, I just think you're wicked.
Now pangte ani ilaya changin Billie Eilish hian Justin Bieber hi alo a chil to chin ti kan cheveka Vine video te po Justin adu zia ti lan nan alo siam to hialani. Kumsani som pakwa Coachella a chuan atak nge hin a move ta hlok maya Justin chuan Billie chu a en wanga Billie chu a lai man hialani anua chuan rei tak anin kwa don ta a. Mi puite pon hemi te pahni in ko alai hi anno lom hle ti asian bokani. Tun chu mami ve thong hi chu mai chana in mule in biak ang chi ani che lawa ma se Kendall Jennerin Brad Pitt nen room khata anom tuma anarvas dan asoi chwakani.
That was the first time that I was there when he was there. And I literally left early. I just saw Once Upon a Time in Hollywood and it was so good and he just gets better with age.
Brad Pitt ka mo chum hiang ka nervous lo tok chu ka ho ma pha ringot thi in candle chuan a soi Pinkian Milar zinga alo du ruk chin chu Johnny Depp ani ti Jimmy Kimmel hne na asoi nu reilo te a chuan backstage lo Johnny Depp chu Jimmy Kimmel chuan a kau chuak ta thut maya hemi chum hian pink chu alai tak zetani
There is a, you don't.
Kavan tik fe in la vem o
I like that boy. Yeah, he's a man now. He's 21. Even better. Yeah.
Diane Keatonin a celebrity crush to Justin Bieber ani ti asoi khan mi zong in makanti a keini lamin makanti berzok chu ankum in thlau na hi ani ma se Diane ta na makle zol tur berero chu backstage Justin Bieber lo ve reng chu ani Selena Gomez chuan a fans surprise tuma akal chu ama zok chu surprise ina oma alo star chin Shia LaBeouf nen chuan anin tong thutani
Hello. Oh my gosh.
Hey! Hey! Hey, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm so sorry to bother you.
Milarte news silong mit swak phong mai la video hmuhnawm le ngainatute takin kan lo surprise ve thut don se nia